Mtalii is back to making money on YouTube.
Morning, guys. How are you doing? I hope you're well. How is everything? So I'm so excited today because if you watched the last video that I shot, I was so depressed because Google had demonetized my YouTube account. My Google AdSense was demonetized because I hadn't verified my account. And the reason is because I got approved for monetization in February. And as you may be aware, monetization comes with its conditions, terms and conditions. And one of those is that you have to, so Google kind of sends you a code to your to your post office box, and you have to enter that code into your Google AdSense account. So what happened when COVID happened? I got approved for monetization in February, and then COVID happened, and basically the whole world shut down, including the airports. And that means, like in my country, Kenya, you couldn't receive international mail. So for some reason, the mail from Google delayed, and I wasn't able to get my code so that I could enter in my AdSense account. And usually Google gives you, like, they say that between 2 to 4 weeks from when you they send you the code, then you should receive it in your mailbox. And I didn't receive it until September. So sometime in early September, my account got demonetized, which basically means you're not able to get you're not able to get advertisements on your videos as much as you're eligible, and that in effect means that you don't get paid when people watch your videos. And I was so depressed by this morning. So something else, I'm currently in the village while my post office box is in Nairobi, but thank God for people who can help us around. So I asked someone to check my mailbox for me, and guess what? The mailbox is there, and my PIN number came. So this is basically how it looks like. I don't know if you can see on the phone. So this is a kind of paper. Oh, it's upside down. Let me see how to change this. So, but it's basically a paper like this that you get from, gosh, I don't know if you're able to see, but they send you like a piece of paper. I'm going to put a screenshot in the video and you'll see it. They send you that paper because I don't have it. So I asked someone to get for me from my post office, and then send me the number on WhatsApp, and that's what they've done. So what I want to do right now is to enter the PIN number on my Google AdSense to get verified, and I'm going to share with you my screen of how that looks like in a moment. Website, you go to the homepage. That's where I am right now. And on the homepage on your right hand side, you're going to see the verify your billing address. And this is what you need to press. And you have 3 attempts at this. So make sure that you enter, your billing address, the PIN number that Google has sent you as accurately as possible. And that's what I'm going to be doing. So I'm just getting the PIN number that I was sent. And it's a 6-digit PIN number that you need to enter. And then you click on the submit button, and you will see Google will tell you your billing address has been verified if your verification went through successfully, right? So that's basically what you need to do. In a case whereby you PIN comes in time, then you don't have to go through this, because anytime you log into your Google AdSense account, you'll automatically see the verified billing address button. So I'm going to go back to my computer and just check that my ads are currently running, because they were disabled due to the verification. But now that it's done, I hope, crossing my fingers, that this has now happened. To verifying your email address, you want to come and monetize all your videos. So just select all your videos
and then come here to edit. Once you click on edit, there's the monetization option, and then just click on to verifying your email address. You want to come and monetize all your videos. So just select all your videos and then come here to edit. Once you click on edit, there's the monetization option, and then just click on and then update. So let's see, update videos. This page and see if now it's going to be showing the green button here for monetization. And voila, as you can see now, all the videos are being monetized.
And Mtalii is back to being monetized on YouTube. What a greater way to end the week. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for staying up to the very end, and I look forward to meeting you on the next one. Bye-bye.